Oh, hey there guys, what's going on? I got another lock here for you. This one's going to be an ace, of course. It's going to be the ace 2 3/4 shielded discus padlock. There's a look at the lock right there. And if you need some lock picks, think Peterson.com. Alright, got that out of the way. I'm in a different setup. So, hey, gotta give me some slack here. Item number is going to be 5163647. Got this off the Ace website, acehardware.com. 2 3/4, like I said. Key code is KA222. And this lock is, go ahead and show you the key bitting. I'm in a different setup, different location, so you're going to have to bear with me. There's the key code, or there's the key bitting right there. Not a direct code, KA222. There's a key bitting right there. Show you guys the lock is working. Let's see here. There it is, unlocked. And what makes this lock hard to pick is that right there. You got something in there before it turns. So this lock requires a lot of spring tension. Make sure he's all locked up. Got that done. Showed you guys key bitting. Pick this lock. I'll be using a 40,000 Peterson Prybar. And like I said, this lock can be a fighter. It wouldn't be a bad pick if the lock was well used. I don't think it would be that bad. There's that setup right there. And I'll be picking the lock with my H1 super shiny Peterson purple handled pick. Here we go. Only 4 pins. This lock does have security pins. And likes to fight, so let's get it on. 4th pin, drop into a false set. 1st pin, back into the false set. 4th pin, we're still there. At some point in time, you'd think I'd know what the hell I was doing. Alright, back at the keyway. I'm in a really deep false set. I don't want to lose it. Alright, another pin set. Not sure what the hell that was. Back to keyway. A little click out of 4. No. Nothing on 1. Back to keyway. Another click out of 4. Little binding on 1. Front of the keyway. Go to the back. Another little click out of 4, I think. That's 1. Let's see. Dropped everything up front. Nope, nothing there. Back of the keyway. Something out of 1. Something out of something. Back of the keyway. Not sure if that's me or the plug. There we go. Something out of 4. Oh, got it open. There it is, guys. Ace. What do they call this darn lock? 2 3/4 shielded discus padlock. There we go. Shiny, shiny stainless steel. This is a really good lock. No sharp edges. There's a little bit of sharp edges in there, but that would probably wear off with use. And like I said, what makes this lock so hard to pick, if it was a used padlock, instead of being brand new, well used, it would probably, it's a fun pick. A lot of tensioning though. I'll tell you what, a lot of tensioning. So there's a look at the lock. And don't forget guys, If you need some lockpicking tools, think Peterson.com. As always, you guys have a good one.